So, Mad World melody line. First thing to do is just go through some of the notes on the strings. So let's look at string 4. What's the name of string 4? D, correct. And then if we put our finger on fret 2 string 4, we get the note of E. So D and then E. D and then E. We're going to be using E for Mad World. We're also going to be using F sharp, which is on string 4. And F sharp is fret 4 string 4. So we're going to be using E and F sharp on string 4. And then we've got a note on string 3. String 3 is G. And then we've got fret 2 string 3, which is A. So G, A, and then we're going to be using string 2 just on its own, which as you know is B. So we've got E, F sharp on string 4, E, F sharp, just play them and say them out loud. E, F sharp, E, F sharp, and then G, A, G, A, G, A on string 3, and then on string 2 we're just going to be using B. Okay, so here it is, 2 E's and then G twice and then 2 E's again. So that's the first bit, and then it goes up to B. And down to G again. E, E, G, G, E, E, B, 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 G, and then A, and then F sharp. You're best off playing A with finger number 1, and then F sharp with finger 3, or finger 4. It's a good idea to use your little finger as much as possible, because it is your weakest finger and it's a good idea to get it exercised. And then A, G, F sharp, E. I'll just play it a few times and you can play along. And again, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, played it wrong. And again. Ah. And again. So now I'll strum along with the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, G major, D major, A major, E minor, G major, D major, A major, E minor, G major, D major, A major. So hopefully when you get good at the melody line you'll be able to play along with the chords, but remember the first beat of the bar is a rest in the melody line. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Thanks for listening.